Hey, it's Mike again. I just wanted to show a handy little trick that sometimes people forget about when they're working partial fraction expansions. Here's a relatively simple example we're going to do, but this right here is what we want to expand. And sometimes when we're dealing with these complex exponentials, or later on if we have z transforms, it gets a little hairy with all this notation here. But what we can do, so this is what we want. What we want to expand is 1 over 1 minus 1 half e to the negative j omega times 1 plus 1 half e to the negative j omega. And here's something really simple you can do just to help clean things up. We can say let x equal 1 half e negative j omega. So now what we're working with is we have 1 over 1 minus x times 1 plus x, and that's equal to a over 1 minus x plus b over 1 minus or 1 plus x. We take this whole equation and we multiply everything by 1 minus x and 1 plus x. Now, when we come down here, all of this is going to cancel all of this. So then we just have 1, and we have that equal to, well, this is going to cancel with this. So we have a 1 plus x, and then this one here is going to cancel this one here. So we have plus b times 1 minus x. Bring that down, we have 1 equals a plus x times a plus b minus x times b, and we have 1 equals a plus b, 0 equals ax plus, ax minus bx, and we could just, on this one, we could just divide out x. We divide x out of everything, so then this becomes 0 equals a minus b, and we have 1 equals a plus b. So we know this tells us a equals b, and then change it in here, a plus a equals 1, and therefore a equals 1 half, and b equals 1 half. So now that we know a and b, we can say, all right, well, we can clean some of this up, and then we can go, well, 1 over 1 minus x times 1 plus x is equal to 1 half 1 minus x plus 1 half 1 plus x. Change out x, which we defined over here, and we can just, then you have, let's put it right down here. So, and just taking what we have over here, we get 1 half over 1 minus 1 half e to the negative j omega plus 1 half over 1 plus 1 half e to the j omega, negative j omega, excuse me. And let me just double check. Yeah, so that's correct. So that's just a little simple thing you can do if you don't, this, like I said, this is an easy one here. But if you have a lot, if you have, like, 3 terms or 4 terms, and you're not using some kind of software to do it, it gets a little, having these e to the negative j omegas or e to the, negative j omega k or something, it just gets law notation. So there's just a handy little trick. We'll just define as x, and now you're just working in some, very easy algebra. Thanks.